Basement Studio launched a cool SDK where you can render your shaded compositions and tweak them real time like a Photoshop. But in the end, we still have to do it manually of adjusting these sliders, tweaking configurations. What if you can just ask and everything gets adjusted automatically? And even your AI agents can do that. We got you. The solution is Rover. You just need one line of code on any websites or web app you're building, and we sit right inside your website, just like how I injected this Rover right in here. So I'm asking Rover to pick a hue of scale 20, saturation 1.5, and beam to like 1. You can see Rover acting real time on your pages of like taking actions, scrolling, clicking, drag and drop, onboarding, everything end to end. So you no longer have to manually do things on any website on the internet, as well as your AI can trigger Rover to get things done just with a query. Your AI no longer have to figure out the pixels, be really slow, still mess it up. The solution is just add Rover one line of code on your website, and our agent still runs in the background. We'll set up the parameters, everything into it. Let's check it out. It scrolled up. It set the hue to 20, saturation to 1.5, just 3 hours. And where is beam? Yeah, beam focus is also set to 1. Everything that we wanted, just in natural language prompts, and you can speak in voice mode as well. Do give it a try to Rover on your website. Task is done. This is our website.